Hello students, welcome to CET online classes. Today in physics, we are going to discuss the chapter alternating current. So in general, if you want to talk about the alternating current, you have lot of advantages and disadvantages. If we talk about the advantages, when you are traveling when the electricity is traveling to the long distances, that is the large distances, in that particular cases, we are going to use this alternating current without much loss of power. So without much loss of power, you can transmit from one place to the another place to the longer distance. Okay, that is nothing but your alternating current. Okay, so the general form, if I want to represent that general form, we'll see the few formula. In today's class, we are going to discuss some numericals related to average, IRMS, like when the capacitor is connected to an AC source, the same way the inductor also. So this is the formula list you have to remember. You know that the instantaneous value of AC is I is equal to I naught sine omega t, right? So average or mean value of AC voltage over the cycle is given as I average is equal to 2 pi I naught. 2 pi I naught. If you substitute the pi value 3.14, so 2 divided by 3.14 gives you 0.637 I naught. Okay. What is I naught? I naught is nothing but the peak value. I naught is nothing but the peak value ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay. Peak value ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So effective or RMS or virtual value of AC ಅಂದ್ರೆ IRMS is equal to 1 divided by root 2 I naught. So 1 divided by root 2 na we are going to write it as 0.707 I naught. Okay, that is the effective or RMS or the virtual value of AC ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. For alternating voltages, so far we saw for alternating current. If you have alternative voltages, okay, so you can represent that as E is equal to E naught sine omega t. E average is equal to 0.637 epsilon naught. ERMS is equal to 1 by root 2 into E naught. Okay, right. Now, for an AC circuit containing inductor only, if you have only inductor circuit, then you can substitute the values. XL is equal to omega L, XL is equal to omega L or 2 pi Fn. The same way, you are going to represent the I in the peak value, and this is nothing but for okay. So these are the formulas you have to remember. Okay. Okay, so we are going to have the first problem here. The first problem follows like this. The first problem follows like this. That is nothing but a 100 ohm, a 100 ohm resistor a 100 ohm resistor is connected to a 220 volt 50 hertz AC supply 50 hertz AC supply full stop. The RMS value of the current in the circuit is okay. So ಈಗ RMS value find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you know the formula, right? So it is they given the options as option A as 1.56 ampere, option B as 3111 ampere, option C is 2.2 ampere, so everything is in milli. That is 2.2 milliampere. Okay. Okay, so the options, I'll rewrite this. The options are given as 1.56 ampere, option B 1.56 milliampere, option C 2.2 ampere, so option D is 2.2 millimeter. So the formula is IRMS. IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by R. So VRMS is given as 220, right? So 220 divided by R is 100. So I naught is equal to IRMS is equal to 2.2 milliampere. 2.2, it's not milliampere, it is only an ampere. 2.2 ampere. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Next problem. The peak voltage of an AC of an AC circuit of an AC circuit is 440 volt, then its RMS voltage, then its RMS value find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. RMS voltage. RMS voltage. So the options are given as 31.11 11 ampere volt, 311.1 volt, 4.1, so this is the problem. So you know the formula, direct formula. So the formula follows like this. VRS is equal to Vm divided by root 2. So you'll get this as 440 divided by root 2. So that will be your answer. So fraction and bitti decimal ಆದರೆ start converting. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರ. Okay. Okay. So ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you'll get 311.1 volt. 311.1 volt. Option B. Okay. The next is next problem. An alternating an alternating voltage given by 140 sine of 3t. 314. Okay, it is V is equal to 140 sine of 314t. 140 sine 314t is connected is connected connected across a resistor pure resistor. So the answer will be so next one. You are going to compare this with terms of V. So V is equal to V naught sine of omega t. So V naught. Okay. So I can write it as so then across a pure resistance of 50 ohm, then the RMS current through the resistor is. Okay. So if you solve that, so it is directly you can write. So IRMS is equal to VRMS IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by R. Okay. So if you solve that, you will get the answer as 1.98 ampere. That will be the current. Okay. Next problem. An inductor of 3 millihenry is connected is connected is connected to a 220 volt 100 hertz 100 hertz AC source full stop. The inductive reactance the inductive reactance is Okay, inductive reactance is anta ಇದೆ. Okay, so option is 10.58 ohm, B 12.64 ohm, okay. So 12.64, option C is 18.85 ohms, 22.67 ohm. So I want to find with the XL. So first given data ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ L is equal to millihenry. That is nothing but 3 into so 30, right? 30 into 10 to the power minus minus 3. Okay. So 30 10 to the power 3 Henry. Next F they given as F is equal to 100 hertz. H is equal to that is L is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 4. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now directly we can use inductive reactance ಅಂದ್ರೆ XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. So 2 into 3.14 into, okay, F is 100 into okay. So 2 into 10 to the 3.14 into 100 into L ಎಷ್ಟು? L is 30 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if you solve that, you'll get the answer as 18.85. So answer will be option C. Okay. Next. So the next problem we'll see. So ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Okay, so the next problem. Hmm. A 60 watt. Hmm. Okay. So the next problem is like this. Hmm. A 30 microfarad capacitor capacitor is is connected connected to a 150 volt 60 hertz AC supply AC supply to stop the RMS value of current in the circuit. Current in the circuit. So option A 17 ampere, option B 1.7 ampere, option C 1.7 milliampere, option D is 2. That is 2.7 ampere. If that is the case, you have the formula as XL is equal to 1 by omega C. So it is 1 by 2 pi Fc is equal to, if you substitute all the values, 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 60 into 150. So if you all solve this, okay, if you solve this, you'll get 88.46 ohm. But ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು ಕರೆಂಟು. ಸೊ IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by XC. Okay, it is 150 divided by 88.46. So if you further simplify, you get 1.7 ampere. So option C. I hope you are clear about this session, right? So in the next session, we'll continue. Thank you.